This document has it has some well, not bounding box, but cut lines in them actually. And what we could try to do is remove that. And in pdfToolbox 6, there are all kinds of workarounds with process plans and putting things on layers and then removing the layer or making it invisible. In pdfToolbox 7, that has become a lot easier. Let me go to the switchboard and under colors, go to spot color. That shows me that this document contains a number of different spot colors. If you've never used this area of the switchboard, this basically allows you to manually change the spot color information you have in a file. Now, what interests me here is that I have a spot color used for this die cut line that is called 106 print bleed. That's the information that I want. And why do I want that? Well, I have prepared a pre-flight profile, and actually I think it's one of the ones that is included by default in here, so I have to go look for it. I should have put it in the my special folder as well. It's actually right here. It's called Remove All Objects Using Spot Color with Specified Name. So this is one of the default fix-ups that you'll find in pdfToolbox 7. Of course, you can modify this to do exactly what you want. If I go look at what that does is, well, it is a new fix-up that is called Remove Objects, and that uses a pre-flight check to identify the objects that will be removed. And in this case, I have specified that all objects that use a spot color with a specific name have to be removed. So if I do fix, it asks me, it's a variable fix, it asks me which Pantone color or spot color I'm interested in removing, and I'm going to use that 106 print bleed that we found. Again, it's changing the document, so let me save that somewhere else. And there we go. And now what it did was very simply remove that specific spot color from the document. Like I said, there were kind of workarounds you had in pdfToolbox 6 to accomplish this in some cases. pdfToolbox 7 makes it much easier to simply remove elements out of the file. And once again, the example here is with objects with a specific spot color, but this is a generic fix-up that removes all objects identified by a particular pre-flight check. So the only thing you have to do is make a pre-flight check that detects those objects that you want to remove, whether it's by spot color or because they are on a certain layer or because it's a certain type of object, and you can simply remove that from the